Assalamualaikum friend, today we create buffalo plane pattern in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start our today video tutorial. First of all, we go to PowerPoint and press Ctrl and new slide is open. Close thumbnail, resize and go to home and press here is blank. Go to home, insert here the rectangle. After the rectangle here, go to format and remove background color, remove outline, no outline, and paste here is back file color, fill shape, eye drops and pick color. Once again go to home, draw here rectangle, 3 rectangles, go to format, outline, no, fill black color, zoom out, cut here, go to Ctrl D, duplicate 3 times, both sides insert in the center and press Ctrl and resize this file shape. Now once again go to home tab and press rectangle tab and insert is a rectangle. Right click and go to format shape, fill, pattern fill, insert here is a pattern, background, eye drops and foregrounds, eye drop get to black color. Now same pattern, Ctrl D, 3 times duplicate and press here same direction in all 3 plates. Same copy 2 times, Ctrl D, insert here, now same copy, Ctrl D, same, now again Ctrl D, just a easy step. Now our pattern, Ctrl D, our buffalo pattern is this. Let's see, this buffalo pattern is complete here now. So in last we request to you kindly like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.